start with a magic circle and chain 2. This chain 2, it won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 12 double crochets in this circle. Once you are done, pull up this loop to close the gap and slip stitch on top of this first double crochet, and while making the slip stitch, change to the other color, and you can weave off this yarn. Chain 2, 1 double crochet cluster in the same stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, pull through first 2 loops, but do not finish this stitch. Do this 2 more times. Four loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the loops and chain 1. That's 1 double crochet cluster made. Now make 1 chain 3 picot, chain 3 and slip stitch into the first chain. This is the first chain. Make a slip stitch over here. That's 1 picot made. Now repeat this in all the stitches. 1 double crochet cluster, four loops, yarn and pull through all the loops and chain 1, 1 chain 3 picot, slip stitch into the first chain, this one, this is how it will look. Now repeat this. Once you reach the end, make a slip stitch on top of this first cluster, and while making the slip stitch, change to the other color. And you can weave off this yarn. Chain 3 and 1 double crochet cluster in this bottom stitch, that is the first stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop, pull through first 2 loops, but do not finish this stitch. Do this 1 more time, 3 loops, again 1 more time, 4 loops on the hook, yarn and pull through all the loops and chain 1. That's 1 cluster stitch made. Now repeat this. Chain 3, and now you'll make the cluster in this bottom stitch, this one. Yarn and pull up a loop, first 2 loops, do this 2 more times. Four loops, yarn and pull through all the loops and chain 1. Repeat this until it's around 9 to 10 inches. Once you reach the end, chain 6 and weave off your yarn. If you wish, you can use any decorative pearl or button over here. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.